Crikey, mates! Today, we're diving into one of nature's most famous sayings, only the strongest survive. But what does that really mean out here in the wild? You might picture fierce battles between lions or crocodiles, but survival isn't just about brute strength or being the biggest and baddest. It's about being tough, resilient, and clever enough to handle whatever nature throws your way. In the wild, animals face all sorts of challenges: blistering heat, freezing nights, raging storms, and dangerous predators. To survive, they need to adapt, learn, and sometimes even work together. Survival of the fittest is nature's way of making sure animal families stay strong and healthy. It's not just about individuals, but about the whole group thriving together. If only the weak survived, the entire group could become vulnerable. Disease could spread, or predators could easily pick them off. That's why nature has its own kind of quality control. The healthiest, most adaptable animals are the ones who get to pass on their genes, ensuring the next generation is just as strong, smart, and resourceful. Out here, there are no hospitals, supermarkets, or cozy homes. Every animal must find its own food, build a safe shelter, and stay alert to danger every single day. It's a constant test of skill and instinct. Only those best adapted to their environment, whether it's blending in, running fast, or working as a team, will make it. This keeps the ecosystem balanced and healthy for everyone. It might seem harsh, but this process is essential. It's what keeps life vibrant, diverse, and strong generation after generation. So let's jump in and explore these wild ways together, discovering how the strongest, smartest, and most adaptable creatures survive and thrive in the untamed world. Let's talk about birds. These fascinating creatures have some of the most intriguing family dynamics in the animal kingdom. Their nests, often hidden high in trees or tucked away in bushes, are bustling centers of life, filled with the sounds of chirping chicks and the flutter of wings. Even in their cozy nests, life can be surprisingly tough. While it may look peaceful from the outside, inside the nest, every day is a struggle for survival, especially for the youngest and weakest chicks. Take storks, for example. If food is scarce, stork parents may make a heartbreaking decision. They might stop feeding the weakest chick, or in some cases, even push it out of the nest. This may seem harsh, but it's a reality in the wild. It sounds cruel, but with limited food, trying to feed all the chicks could mean that none of them survive. The competition among siblings is fierce, and only the strongest can secure enough nourishment to grow and thrive. By focusing their efforts on the strongest chicks, parents give their family the best possible shot at survival. It's a difficult choice, but it increases the chances that at least some of their offspring will make it to adulthood. It's not about being mean or heartless. It's instinct, honed over thousands of years of evolution. These behaviors have developed because they work, helping bird species persist through countless generations. These tough choices, as difficult as they are, help ensure the family line continues. The surviving chicks grow strong and healthy, ready to one day start families of their own. In the wild, such decisions can truly mean the difference between extinction and survival. Every day brings new challenges, from predators to harsh weather, and only the most resilient make it through. Nature's lessons are tough, but they work. Through these hard realities, birds have learned to adapt, ensuring their species continues to soar across the skies for generations to come. Now meet the cuckoo, a master of survival tricks. Cuckoos lay their eggs in other birds' nests, leaving foster parents to raise their chicks. The cuckoo chick often hatches first and pushes out the other eggs or chicks so it gets all the food. The foster parents work hard, not realizing they're raising an imposter. It's ruthless, but for the cuckoo, it's a winning strategy that keeps their species going. Nature's full of shocking, clever adaptations. Survival of the fittest isn't just for birds. Let's look at sharks. These ancient predators have been around for over 400 million years, and their survival tactics are some of the most fascinating in the animal kingdom. Sharks are perfectly adapted to their environment, with keen senses and powerful bodies that make them top predators in the ocean. But their survival strategies start even before birth. Sand tiger shark embryos actually fight in the womb. Only the strongest is born, ready for the ocean's dangers. This means that before they even see the light of day, these sharks are already competing for survival. The victorious embryo consumes its weaker siblings, ensuring that only the toughest and most capable pup is born. This brutal process prepares the newborn for the harsh realities of life in the wild, where only the fittest survive. It's brutal, but it gives that pup a real head start. Emerging into the vast ocean alone, the young shark is already a survivor, equipped with the instincts and strength needed to thrive. This early competition means the newborn is more likely to evade predators and hunt successfully. On the savannah, when new male lions take over a pride, they may kill the cubs of the previous leader. This behavior, known as infanticide, might seem cruel, but it's a common survival tactic among lions. By eliminating the offspring of their rivals, the new males ensure that their own genes will be passed on to the next generation. This brings lionesses back into season so the new males can sire their own young. The lionesses, now without cubs, are able to mate again, allowing the new dominant males to father their own offspring and secure their legacy within the pride. It's harsh, but it ensures the strongest genes are passed on. The pride becomes stronger, and the cubs that survive are the offspring of the most dominant and powerful males, increasing their chances of survival in the wild. These behaviors may seem shocking, but they're all about survival and legacy. In the wild, every action has a purpose, and even the most dramatic tactics are part of nature's plan to keep species thriving. Nature's ways are complex and often confronting. From the depths of the ocean to the open savanna, animals have developed incredible strategies to survive and pass on their genes. These stories remind us just how remarkable and sometimes ruthless the natural world can be. We've seen storks making tough choices, cuckoos freeloading, sharks battling before birth, and lions fighting for legacy. It can seem savage, but it's not about cruelty. It's nature's system of checks and balances. These behaviors keep populations healthy and strong. Every action plays a part in the wild's amazing dance. Understanding survival of the fittest helps us appreciate nature's brilliance. It's not always gentle, but it's always fascinating and shows life's resilience. The more we learn, the more we'll want to protect these wild wonders. Let's support conservation, because protecting nature means protecting our planet's wild heart.